Hello. Welcome, Tanya. I believe this might be your first time I'm seeing you guys. Terrence and Michael. Y'all are doing good. I believe the spring break is next week. Y'all ready for that? Did you guys get the stymie? The stymie money? Stimulus money, stymie money? Hello, Angela. Hey, y'all. Amira, Motor. Okay. I wish I know your correct name so I could call you by correct name. Michael, what are you gonna do with this stymie? I'm not gonna remember that, Marilyn. I cannot even remember what I did over the weekend. Savage. Oh, you're a good one. You're not gonna spend it. You're smart. You're a smart one. All right. All right. So first thing first, have your I'm not email out. Let me open my email. I want to make sure that we got. We're gonna have. Let me go back. No, 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 no. We're gonna have a pop quiz. Third, fourth, fifth. We're gonna have our sixth pop quiz. And you're gonna take your pop quiz only if you're in Math 120 in class. Stop saying no. I'm taking mine straight to Cancun. Don't tell me you live in Texas. You'll get more bang for the buck. All right. We'll make the pop quiz super easy, super fun. All right. The question will be, what is the greatest person of all? No. Who is the greatest person of all time? Please, if you say anybody but Donald Trump, you will get 0. All right, your email is. Let's do that pop quiz right now. Is your email up and ready? Okay, let's do it. All right. Let's see the question. Okay, let's see. I'll take the 0. You'll take what? What? I don't understand you. All right. Pop quiz. Let's say the last UFC fight, the big one. It's Conor versus Khabib. Conor versus. The way they wrote it down is 1 to 3. It's one favor to 3. So in favor of Conor. All right. Do not write down the question over here. You will write down the question in the email and email it to me. So what is the probability for Connor to win this fight? Based on this odds and against. Hello, Elma. Type in your name here after you have emailed me the answer. Don't type in the answer here. Okay, this is super easy, super duper easy. It was supposed to be 5th pop quiz. Anybody done yet? Don't rush your answer. I already got first answer. I'm not gonna tell if it's correct or not. The first person to do it was Stephanie Overton. Second person to do it is Angela Campos. Don't rush your answer. This is a trick question. It's super easy, but very tricky. I said probability to win the fight. All right, 2% turn it in so far. Maryland. All right, let's see. Next person to go ahead, David Cordova. Maryland. Bonte. Did I say your name correctly? Next one is Terrence Jones. Jordan. Jocelyn Gutierrez. Jordan, Jocelyn, Alma. Okay. Alma Sandoval. Tasia, Dennis. All right, is that it? Have I missed anybody yet? All right, anybody else? Yes, I got you, Dennis Aguilar. All right, Sebastian, did I say your name? Okay, you cannot send one answer more than once. So Terrence Jones will not be accepted because you're sending more than one try. You get only one try. Sebastian Trio, okay. All right, going once, going twice. I'm going to close the quiz. Sebastian, yes. Closing the quiz. Closing now. Okay. So, all right. So let's look at the answer. What's the answer first? Okay. First things first, let's look at this. What is it telling us? We're talking about favor of Connor, right? So we're looking odds in favor of Connor. What that means is this is win, that's loss. So if there are total game 4, out of that, how many win? Which is 1. So probability of that would be 1/4. Okay. All right. Since I started doing the answer, I'm not going to look at the quiz anymore. Okay, the quiz part is done. Some of you got it right. Some of you didn't get it right. What happened? I was wrong twice. Well, you were wrong once. I don't even look at your second time answer. So therefore, that statement is like, Elma, this is a pop quiz. Okay, since we're talking about the essence of it, I will accept that answer, 25%. If I give this pop quiz again, we're talking about probability, and you write 25%, no. But 25% and 1/4 is about the right. I wanted you to understand what it means. Okay? Always Angela? Wait, did you change your name? What was your name before? Always Angela. All right. So, let's do. I'm thinking, should I do it? Spring break is next week. Let's do 4.4 tree diagram. I'm on my phone right now. My name is Angela. Okay, that makes sense. Why is it always Angela? Like, were you ever never Angela? And then you woke up one day and you decided that, you know what? I'm done being never. From now on, I shall be always. All right. Yes, I got yours time, Miss Tanya. All right. So tree diagram. It's my YouTube channel name. You could change it. All right. Let's do the tree diagram. So it has to do with compound probability. All right, children, settle down. So so T diagram has to do with compound probability. Yes, I got yours too. I was telling everybody's name when I received all the people's email. Let me repeat it. The people's I got Stephanie, Angela, David, Marilyn, Terrence, Jordan, Alma, Jocelyn, Tasia, Dennis, Sebastian, Terrace, again, then Tanya and Angelo. All right, probability. So what is this compound probability? What it means is events that occur one after the other, or in conjunction. Are called successive events. And when a series of successive events is necessary to arrive to outcome, individual probabilities are multiplied together to obtain the probability of that outcome. So what we're going to do is when we look at events occur, we look at that successive events. Let's see. Event and its probability and we multiply. To get the compound probability. It's kind of like this. For example, if we flip a coin 2 times to if we flip a coin 2 times, let's say the question is, what's the probability of landing on heads both times? That's the question. Okay. If we have that, oh my God. If we have that, let's figure this out. One way of looking at that is, you're gonna guess it. You're gonna guess it probably, and you're gonna get it right. You're gonna say 1/4 because the first time is 1/2, second time is 1/2, and you multiply it and you get 1/4, right? 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4 because each time is probability of landing on head. Probably landing on head. But let's say if we want to create a tree diagram, and let's look at the whole picture, the holistic picture. The way you do it is, the first option, you have this. Head or tail. What's the probability of head or tail? Right over here, you have 1/2, 1/2. Okay? From there, again, you have 2 options. You flip the coin again, head or tail. Head or tail. Again, you get 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Right there, you got your tree diagram. And if I'm looking at this section right over here, probability of head and head, it gives me 1/2 times 1/2 equal 1/4. Over here, it's probability of head and tail. I get, again, what is it? 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. This is a little bit tricky one. What I'm saying is it needs to land on head, then tail. What's the probability of that? And again, at the bottom, same way, but it's changed a little bit. Tail and then head, which is 1/2, which is 1/4. At the bottom, I get tail, tail, which is 1/4. the question becomes tricky is, what's the probability of one being head or tail? What's the probability of one being tail with two flips? So all I'm looking at is with two flips. What's the probability of being one tail? And right away, I'm going to highlight this one and this one. And I'll add them. And I'll get 1/2. And your intuition is right, too. If I flip it 2 times, what's the probability of one being tail? And you know it right away. Yeah, I got to flip it only 1 time to get it one. And what's the probability of that is 1/2. And you get it. But this gives you some more distinctive way how this answer is correct. All right, so let's do a word problem. Let's go to number 4. I'll wait a bit for you guys to write it down. Oh, no, it's not frozen. I'm waiting for you guys to look at the question. All right. So what are the options we have? We have blue, white, red, and purple. And do we draw 1 time or 2 times? Oh, no, we don't make a tree diagram. Sorry. Oh, if I would have made a tree diagram, it would have made my life super hard. Okay, for A, it's asking what's the probability of single draw with white being, so it's 7 over. How many is that? 18, 22, 28. Oh, no, you're good. Let's answer D. Find the probability of getting 2 red marbles on two draws if replacement is not allowed. So on the first one is 4 over 28. And the second one is what? 3 over 27. Because this number goes down after picking the first draw. And you multiply it, you'll get 12 over. Let me get my calculator out. 756. All right, let's do a problem where we have to do tree diagram. Let's do number 7. Oh my God. All right. A family consists of 4 boys, 2 girls. 4 boys, 2 girls. Anybody has children? I think if you have children, I think girls are better than boys. Not that I want any children, but if I ever do down the line, maybe I'll have only daughters. Boys are the worst, man. I used to be one. I feel sorry for my mom. All right, 4 boys, 2 girls. 2 of them will be picked at random to do a yard work this weekend. All right, let's make a tree diagram. Boy, girl. Anybody has children? Nobody has children? Oh, you guys got saved. All right, what's the probability of boy on the first one? 4 over 6, and the girl would be 2 over 6. From there, again, you got to pick boy and a girl. What's the probability of boy in this case? You have already picked 1. It will be 3 over 5. Girl would be 2 over 5. Over here, it will be 4 over 5. And it will be 1 over 5. So right there, get boy, boy. Boy, girl. Girl, boy. And what? Oh, so this is girl. Girl, girl. I have 2 boys. Do you like them? Don't you wish they were girls? They were daughters. Oops. 4/6 times 3/5. 4/6 times 2/5. All right, 2/6 times 4/5, and 2/6 times 1/5. Let's figure out the compound probability. You get 12 over. What the hell is going? 30. 8 over 30. 8 over 30. 2 over 30. For that, I wish they were all boys. What? Oh my God, boys are the worst, man. Man, I used to run away from my mom. Like, I have Asian mom. So what happened is, like, in our culture, it's okay for our parents to hit us. Not just, like we didn't get time out any one of those things. So as I got older, I learned that I could run away. So I would make circles and and I would run around my mom. My mom would give up, and that's what I did. Alrighty then. Okay, so let's answer all the questions. Find the probability. Oh, we did the A, so B. It's asking us, find the probability of both people will be doing work or girls. So both people doing girls, it's this section. That's the one we're looking at. So we're looking at 2 over 30. All right, for B is BC. Find the probability that none of the people doing work are girls. So we're looking at just this top section. So we're looking at only boys. All the other one has a combination of boys. So we're looking at only this section right over here, which is 12 over 30. And D is find the probability exactly one of the people doing yard work is a girl. So we're looking at only one girl. So this has one girl, and this has one girl. So we could add them, and it has common denominator. So it'll be 16 over 30. Okay, all right. That will conclude my lecture. I'm not feeling that good, so that's why I'm not doing the next section right now. I'm here to answer your question. Email me.